Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Martins on board. We are about to install our stone ties. As you can see, this is the front of the ties and this is the back of the ties. And it's a nice material, well coated and well organized, with guarantee of 40 to 50 years documented. So we want to take it up now for installation. So I want you to follow me so that I will show you how to install it stage by stage. Let's go. As you can see now, we've climbed the top of the roofing and we are about to install the ties. This is the ties now. And you can see before installing the ties, there are some materials or some working tools you use to install the ties. One, this is the hammer, the scissors, the sand for the ties, and also the gum for the ties in case of any hole. You apply these ones to close these holes. And also this is the nails for the ties.
Let me see the name.
Yeah, this is the nail. It's called apple nail. This is the nail. This is how it looks like. It calls apple nail. It's used for the installation of the ties. And now we want to start the installation of the ties. So let's begin. This is the starting of it.
So you are applying this gum.
Yes, I'm applying the gum now so that there will be no leakage. When you apply the gum, then you apply the dust so that there will be no leakage at all. As you can see, everything is now the same thing now. You will not see the side of the nail. This is only just for the first stage. Just only for the first stage. So let's keep on installing the material.
So you hit this one under.
Yes, hit under so that there will be no cut for liquid. This is how it is. I'm about to cut it now so that it will look nice. Where the ridge cap will sit.
Let me see.
As you can see how beautiful it is now. So this is how it is. Very simple and easy going. To understand it, it's where okay. So this is me, the installer, and I'm trying to install the whole of this place finish before the day goes out. So that is how we install the metal tiles. Very easy and sweet. Thanks guys.
Please kindly subscribe to this channel. You can see that if you have any technical issue or you want us to install and also help you to provide solution, just write us on our page. We assist in providing solution. Thank you.